What's going on, welcome back to the channel. So we have our kit of the month. We are outside because, well, for one, it's nice out here, and two, my bench is full of parts from the project I'm working on right now, so I have no room for this unboxing. So regardless, let's go ahead and see what we got. I always lost track what month it is because I'm not sure what month we're on, but we're gonna check it out, and I kind of know what kit's in here, but let's see what we got. And of course, we're gonna have our decals in here, some stickers, and yeah, pretty cool. So we got that, and then here is the kit we are checking out. Look at this beauty. We got the chicken car. I'm gonna go ahead and raise you guys up a little bit. So yeah, so we got the chicken car, 1973 Chrysler Plymouth, which is the Roadrunner chicken car. This is so neat, and this is going to be Builders Club exclusive. So only the Builders Club people can only get this kit. So this kit is not public for the national public. So that is cool. Let's go ahead and check out our free decals. Well, I need to pull these out because I've already gotten these. So we got the Alex Bowman. Or that's not Alex Bowman. That's Ryan Blaney's 24. That's his Daytona 500 winning car, I believe, right there. And then we got the number 11 car, which is pretty neat. So we already got these, but there's pictures of the car on your screen. Here is our free sticker we got. This is pretty cool. This is like the what's his name? STP, there we go, from Richard Petty. Jeez, so that's pretty cool, but as SJR, so that's pretty neat, and that's a pretty cool sticker. So yeah, so we got the famous chicken car, Kentucky Fried Chicken. This is so cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out the box, and there is our content. So we have another Chase Outlet coming out. I believe the molds, they're having issues or trying to get the molds going. I'm not sure for the new Chevy Camaro body. So, but we got the Fords. I believe that is sold out, and we got this one, Bobby Allison. Then we got our Richard Petty. So that's a few months ago, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Of course, we got their chicken. Or the what you call it, donut box going on here. There's a little bit of info about the Builders Club right there. Scan the QR code if you are interested, and there are some colors you might need for this color. And this is cool. They are actually doing the body colors, like if you want to do it, if you want to paint the body color. So Tamiya ST8 Italian red, and then the chassis color. And it has all this cool stuff, so that's pretty cool. They're doing actually information on Tamiya colors, on what color the chassis is, interior. So that's pretty neat, because it's kind of hard to tell on some of these pictures. It looks like it's like a dark red, but yeah, well, red and roll cage. So it's kind of hard to tell on some of these pictures, and you try googling it, sometimes it's a little hard to figure out the color of the actual interior and stuff. So that's cool. They are actually included the colors on the art box, so that is pretty neat. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open and see what we got here. So yeah, the new donut box. So there's that. There is our rear parts. Now I just built the Roadrunner not too long ago, which is the Richard Petty one. Check out that full on build video. That's actually really cool. We do have our treaded tires. This is 1973. I'm surprised it's treaded tires. It went to okay, because the NASCAR went to slicks in 1972, I believe. I could be wrong, but here is our Chrysler Roadrunner body. Very nice. A little bit of flashing here and there, but not too big a deal. But yeah, this is a really awesome body style. Like I said, check out my video of the Richard Petty Roadrunner. Basically the same kit. I mean, this is just a beautiful body style, and you got the red in here. That's really cool. Here is our outer contents. So we got white. So got that. There's a two-piece chassis. Again, that is actually pretty well engineered. People don't like that, but it saves them money. And there's literally the same chassis of all the cars. There's our aluminum tree and stuff. And then here is the other red parts tree. So you get your bumpers, here, grill. So make sure you do choose which bumper to use. It does tell you in instructions, because different years are different bumpers and stuff. So really cool. But yeah, this whole kit, it goes together so well. I mean, it's just one of the goodest kits out there from JR Models with their old gen NASCARs. Look at cool. And there's the instruction sheet. It's a book style, I think. And there is our decal placement. And there's the color guide right there. So all the parts should have that, you know, numbers and stuff, tell you which color it should be. Pretty cool. And there is our decal placement. Speaking of decals, let's check those out. And there is our Kentucky Fried Chicken decal sheet. That is so cool. Clay Clamp has done an absolutely outstanding job, of course, but from Power Side Decals, really neat. These decals are just one of the best in the business for NASCAR. It's just absolutely stunning. Here is your Goodyear for your tires. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Man, that is so cool. I'm definitely have to build this one. This is Ricky Me, and we have some vents for your hood, so that's cool. There is your door plating or door handle platings, your gauge clusters for your dash. So really neat. Wicked neat. And yeah, this is a really cool decal sheet. And I always encourage you guys, if you guys don't like doing decals, but you want to do a NASCAR, I always say this, always do these old gen NASCARs. Do it the 70s, you know, the Monte Carlo or the Roadrunner, Charger, whatever, the Oldsmobile. I'm telling you, these old NASCAR kits, they're so nice because this is all basically what most of them have just for decals. I mean, it's just numbers, a little sponsor, and there's not that many sharp edges on these cars. They're pretty much like square body cars, and you know, decals just go on, you know, basically all of the flat surfaces. You know, there's not really much curve to these cars, and so definitely give these old NASCAR models a try from JR Models from the 70s eras, and you're definitely going to appreciate it. They go together very well. If you've never built one of these kits, make sure you do look at the instructions very clear. Double check, because some of the instructions, well, back in the olden days, a few years ago, they were a little confusing, but they have definitely improved their instructions over the days, and these are very clear. Because when I did my Roadrunner NASCAR from Richard Petty, that instruction sheet was really blurry. So just take your time and go slow, and these kits they go together very well, and you know, there's no complaints about these kits. So, but just make sure you do have a few builds up your sleeve. They're not, I want to say these are super beginner builds. Make sure you do have quite a bit of builds up your sleeve. I mean, at least 5 builds up your sleeve before you do hassle these. If you do want to do hassle JR kits, then go ahead and pick up the, you know, the Revell monogram versions of their kits, like the Monte Carlo, or you know, 80s eras, like Monte Carlo, the 80s, you know, 80s cars. Those are from Revell monogram. So that is pretty cool. But all right, guys, that's it. This is a really neat kit, and again, you can't get this kit unless you're in a Builders Club. If you do join, I believe they still have quite a few in stock, so if you want to join in the Builders Club, then you can purchase this kit separately, and then, you know, so that's pretty cool. But Builders Club is always awesome. I think they're going to be doing 4 Builders Club kits exclusive for each year from now on. This is what, the 3rd one this year so far, and I think they may be doing another one later on by December. It's just too cool. So they're gonna have more Builders Club exclusive kits that, you know, it's not public, and then, you know, you get exclusive stickers, of course, and then you get, you know, free decals. I mean, it's a really cool deal. And then yeah, I really enjoy it. This is my 3rd year, I believe, in the Builders Club. So, and I have no complaints. I have a blast, and you get the exclusive Facebook group with the Builders Club people only, and you get an exclusive Facebook Live from Jim and Rick and those guys. But on phone, you know, you just see Jim's face, but you know, you get to talk about some cool stuff they're planning on doing that they don't publish it because it's a little bit too soon for them. But yeah, it's really cool. So, but all right, guys, that's it for this video. Again, there is the Builders Club right there. If you want to pause that, you know, it basically explains it to you right there, and scan the QR code if you're interested. So check it out. And you guys can quit anytime. If you guys are not interested, you want to get that one kit and say like, they're not really good for me, you can quit anytime. You can just, you know, yeah, you just quit. So, but like I said, this is my 3rd year into this Builders Club, and it's really cool. But all right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and until my next video, we'll catch you next time.